It brushes along blonde hair, and then she asks me, do I go right? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. And I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes, and the wonder of the world is that you just don't realize how much I love you.
Uminom ng Diyos, iced tea, iced tea.
Wine's amazing, all the fools rushing, but I can't fall in love with you. Like the river flows to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my hand, take my whole life too. Yes, oh my head, falling in love with you. Oh my love, my darling, and I'm hungry for your touch. No lonely time, and time goes by so slowly, and so much I used to love, and I need your love, but I need your love. God speed your love to me. Yes, Mom. And lonely river flows to the sea, to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. Lonely riverside, wait for me, wait for me, and I'll be coming home, wait for me. Yeah.
Ang bok sa sulali. Patakar ba ni? Ako karo lagi.
Yeah. And no Carol,
Woohoo!
but I am
Banatan mo, banatan mo, banatan mo!
darling, I love you. Oh, you made me blue. You hurt me.
Ayan na! Pinakita na!
You would make me cry. But what if you leave me? And I'll surely die. Everyone, darling, there'll never be another. Woo! And 'cause I love you so, and don't ever leave me, and say you'll never go. I will always want you for my sweet love, no matter what you do.
Papasan ka man babong ni.
Oh, Carol,
Shoutout sa mga Bisaya!
so in love with you. Oh, yeah.
Ano ba nasabi mo, boss? Shoutout ka sa mga kababayan mo.
Shoutout ko yung followers mo. More followers to come.
Yun o.
More money to come.
Yun. Thank you.
The flame.
Thank you, idol. Sa, kung gusto nyo magpatoro, ito yung studio niya, oh. Yung studio niya sa pati niya. Ayan o. Eh, dito po yung konsyal niya. Konsyal ng ano? Ng Bisaya. Ito yung konsyal ng ano? Ayan. Ayan. Kaway. Support lang ito to.